Hi everyone, this is Lucy. For today's video, I'm fixing a toilet tank which was leaking water, and I had to go to Home Depot and get the part and replace it. So I'm showing you how I'm doing this. I'm not a plumber, so I'm not claiming that I'm doing this right. In fact, I really don't know how the parts are called, but I replaced the part and it's working now. If I can do it, you can do it also. But the main reason for this video was because I wanted to test my new smart glasses. These glasses recorded the video just like I was using a camera, and I want you to tell me how the video came out. Maybe I can keep fixing little things around the house with these glasses on. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and place a comment. I always reply to all of the comments. So I see you fixing my toilet tank with my smart glasses. You hear that? And that's the water running from the tank. Probably has been running all night. One of the items inside the tank have to be replaced. So the first thing we have to do is turn off the water valve, which is down here. Uncover the tank. We're going to be replacing this part here, which is the one that is giving me problems because this mechanism doesn't go up and down like it's supposed to, even when I have tried to adjust it with the plastic screw here, which you can adjust to make the water stop on time so it doesn't spill through the pipe. Okay. I went to the Home Depot and got this part. It's not the complete portion of the tank. We have to flush all the water out, so I'm gonna have to pick up that left water in the tank with some sponge so it won't spill on the floor. Then I'm gonna try to loosen up this is called shank, brush shank. Okay, I'm taking the hose out. So the next step is detaching this from the tank, which has a screw. This is screwed in onto the tank, so I probably need some pliers to loosen that up. I'll be right back. Okay. And then this goes like this. The flat part goes up against the toilet. The toilet is going to be here. Okay, I figure out all the parts where they go to. So let's insert this inside the tank. And this. And this will hold into the pipe on drain, and this goes screwed underneath the tank. And it should be tied with your hands snugly. To complete the installation, I bought a brand new hose that goes into the main valve to the water tank. These things break, and the previous one was plastic, so I'm screwing this into the main water valve. I'm not going to put anything in the thread until I know if it's leaking or not. And this part goes into the part that we just installed. So now we are ready to test the water to see if there's any leakage. Let me press this a little bit more because it's leaking water. Now it's a matter to check that everything is nice and tight. Once again. As I